Here I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to take screenshot, firstly you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be apps list, and then you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about a second like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down at the same time, and screenshot will be taken. You can also take screenshot by just holding power key, and after this turn off menu appears, you have the button screenshot here. It works exactly the same way. So you can find your screenshots in photos, in the screenshots album here, and here they are, our screenshots. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.